In this video, you will learn about the function of the Knight Rider circuit. So the basic components in this are a 555 timer, a 4017 decade counter, and a 3.2 microfarad capacitor. And some of the other parts in this which are important are the 1000 ohm resistor, which protects the 555 timer, the 60,000 ohm resistor, which protects the 4017 decade counter, the LEDs, which will light up back and forth, and these resistors right here, which essentially light up the LEDs after they transfer through these wires right here. So basically the voltage flows through the positive here into pin 4 of the 555 timer and through pin 7, which is connected up to the capacitor, which discharges it, and depending on the value of the capacitor, it will either discharge slower, faster, and that will therefore increase the speed at which this goes back and forth. And after it goes through pin 7 and the capacitor, it flows through output 3, pin 3, which serves as the clock line or the input for the 4017 decade counter. And then the 4017 decade counter counts the waveforms, since this is set in astable mode, and is outputted through Q0 through Q9 pins, which are these wires right here, and then flows across the resistors and into the LEDs. So even though 20 milliamps of voltage are flowing through right here, they're actually fighting each other and crossing paths, so only 7 amps are flowing through the LEDs. As you can see, when the power is applied to the system, the LEDs only light up and they don't chase each other. And this is because of miscommunication between the 4017 IC chip and the 555 timer. And basically the clock line, or the output of the 555 timer, which is the input of the 4017, is not effectively communicating with each other. So therefore the right waves and therefore currents are not flowing through the resistors and causing these to chase each other. So, and that's basically why it doesn't work. And that's it.